Hello, soil lovers and sustainability warriors. Welcome back to Soil Books. Today, we're unlocking a powerful secret hidden beneath our feet. How soil can act as a carbon sink to combat climate change. Did you know that soil holds more carbon than the atmosphere and all plant life combined? With the right farming practices, we can turn soil into a powerful carbon sink, helping reverse climate change while improving crop yields. By the end of this video, you'll learn how regenerative agriculture can trap carbon in the soil and create healthier farms, stronger crops, and a greener planet. Our first stop on this journey takes us to fields adorned with a diverse tapestry of cover crops. Imagine a field blanketed with vibrant clover, nitrogen-fixing legumes, and sturdy ryegrass. These aren't your typical cash crops. These are climate change warriors. Cover crops act like natural carbon sponges, drawing carbon dioxide from the air and transferring it into the soil. As these cover crops grow, their roots burrow deep, enriching the soil with organic matter. This organic matter is essentially carbon locked away, safely stored beneath the surface. For generations, farmers have tilled the land, preparing it for the next crop. But what if we told you there's a better way, a way that keeps carbon tucked away in the soil? That's where no-till farming comes in. Instead of plowing and disturbing the soil, farmers plant seeds directly into the residue of the previous crop. This undisturbed soil becomes a haven for carbon storage. No-till farming doesn't just benefit the climate, it improves soil structure, allowing it to breathe and retain moisture more effectively. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: compost. This magical mixture of decomposed organic matter is like a gourmet feast for your soil, and it plays a crucial role in carbon sequestration. Adding compost to the soil is like giving your garden a potent vitamin boost. It feeds beneficial microbes that live in the soil, increasing their activity and their ability to store carbon. Composting is a win-win for your garden and the planet. Imagine walking through a farm where rows of vegetables are interspersed with majestic trees and shrubs. This is the beauty of agroforestry, a system where trees and crops coexist harmoniously, creating a haven for biodiversity and carbon sequestration. Trees are nature's skyscrapers, their branches reaching for the sky, absorbing carbon dioxide with every breath. Agroforestry is a testament to the power of nature-based solutions in combating climate change. Our final stop takes us to the pastures, where livestock graze peacefully on lush green fields. But this isn't just any grazing. This is holistic grazing, a method that mimics the natural movement of herbivores, benefiting both the animals and the environment. In a holistically managed pasture, animals graze in a way that promotes healthy soil. Their hooves gently press seeds into the ground, their manure fertilizes the soil, and their grazing patterns encourage plant growth. Healthy pastures, teeming with life, act as massive carbon sinks, storing more carbon than overgrazed or barren land. And that's how soil can be our greatest weapon against climate change. By adopting regenerative agriculture, we can restore ecosystems, improve food security, and make farming more sustainable for future generations. Let's recap. Soil is a powerful carbon sink when managed correctly. Regenerative practices like cover cropping, no-till farming, and composting help trap carbon in the soil. Farmers benefit from healthier soil, better yields, and higher profits. Now, I have a question for you. What's one change you'll make to improve soil health? Let me know in the comments below.